Hi and welcome to this month's Landlord Tips. I'm Chloe Zangi, Department Head of the Property Management Team. Today I would like to share with you some of your rights and responsibilities as a landlord. While we, as your managing agent, will advise you and act on your behalf, as an investor, it is a good idea that you understand the rules setting your obligations as a landlord. As a landlord, you must adhere to the following in relation to your property. Keep the premises and common areas, if not managed by a body corporate, in good repair during and in between tenancies. If the premises do not have separate meters, whether this be water, gas or electricity, you must as a landlord pay usage charges as well as the other charges. Some landlords, if living nearby to their property, sometimes feel like checking up on their tenants and how they are maintaining the property. Unfortunately, you cannot just go to the property whenever you feel like it. You will need to organise with your property manager a date and time that you would like to visit, and proper notice, including reasonable timeframes, must be issued to the tenant. Please know this process is the same if you're wanting to carry out maintenance yourself rather than the property manager's tradies, showing prospective buyers or tenants through, or having your property valued. There will be times when your property manager will contact you in relation to maintenance that your tenant has requested. Majority of the time, these items may not be urgent. However, there will be times where it is needing attending to promptly. The urgent requests will need to be responded to without the delay. If your property manager cannot get through to you for authority and have exhausted all means of communication, then they will go ahead to have the issue dealt with. When it comes to after hours, the tenants do have our emergency trades list and therefore can get works carried up to $1,800 at your expense. Non-urgent issues that arise, if they are not dealt with within a reasonable time, your tenant may apply to the Victorian Civil and Administrative Tribunal for a repair order and/or a compensation claim for being without a working item. At Advantage Property Consulting, we always deal with maintenance within a timely manner. It is always easier when we are dealing with our own trades. However, we do understand that landlords can either carry out the jobs themselves or have their own preferred tradesperson. This is where it can sometimes become a little more time delayed. So please know, if your property manager is continually following you up in relation to the maintenance, it is for your own benefit. When it comes to receiving applications for releasing your property manager will always put forward to you the best candidates that they feel suitable for your property. As a landlord, you have the right to choose the tenant that you prefer best, as you have the end say. I hope these tips have provided you with an insight on your obligation as a landlord. Join us next month for more landlord tips.